10 best way on how to make money from your phone in this 2022 and 2023 as well. As technology advances, people are becoming more curious about how to make money from their phones. From South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya to other African countries. Nowadays, most people are either using smartphone with iOS or Android operating system. It is possible to earn money with just your phone to support your basic salary or income. Some of these ways include: number 1, answering surveys; number 2, as a freelancer; number 3, field agent; number 4, online customer service; number 5, virtual assistants; number 6, digital marketing; number 7, playing games; number 8, watching videos. This job can be done as full-time or part-time workers. You can keep your normal job as you and use this online job to earn extra cash to pay your bills. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let me explain from nitty-gritty 5 among the 10 ways you can use to make money online with the use of your smartphone. Alright, number 1, you can become a freelancer. This is a proof ways to make money with your phone. You need a smartphone, a good internet connection, and a skill to sell as a freelancer, and a laptop is just an added advantage. You can get a writing job online, data entry, graphic design, data analytics, web design, software development, and just about any kind of job. Sites that can pay you such works are something like Fiverr.com, Guru.com, peopleperhour.com, and so on. There is a lot of sites that they can give you a job as a freelancer to do the job and get paid instantly. A lot of people make money with their smartphone as a freelancer in Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and other African countries. You can try that one. Then number 2, surfing the web and watching videos online. A number of websites and apps that pay for being on their site, watching adverts, short videos, clips, and so on. Some of these apps are listed are like number 1, like Swagbox. This is one of the most popular apps where you can make money by shopping, watching videos, and answering paid surveys. In the end, you can redeem your money through PayPal or use of gift card. If you want to join Swagbox, search on Google and write swagbox.com. Then you get yourself registered and start making money by watching videos and watching some adverts. Number 2, like Fronto. This is another app that allows you to read news articles, product deals, and reviews, as well as watch adverts to earn points. You can also earn bonus points for downloading free apps. So when you go on Google, just write fronto.com. You can get yourself registered there and start performing the text and earn your money. Number 3, shop. There are smartphone apps that pay you to shop for items already on your shopping list, ranging from groceries, clothes, perfumes, and tailories. Here are some popular get paid to shop apps like something like eButter. Before you go shopping, you complete a few simple tasks on the app, each related to favorite brands or products you usually buy. All you have to do is you go to the store, you take a picture of your receipt after making payment, and you are credited with the cashback amount. That means when you buy something from there, then you get a cashback. They're gonna give you some cashback, and that's what you're gonna be earning by shopping in that store. And you can easily cash out your money via PayPal. Number 2 is Shopkick. This app pays you for spending time in certain stores you can shop at. All you do here is to scan barcodes and get points. You can redeem the point for gift card to use at your favorite stores. So number 4, and this number 4 is the most sweetest one, because when you just come down and listen this number 4, and you can do it at anywhere as far as you have a smartphone and internet connection. Okay, number 4 is sell items you don't need anymore. This one now, there's no need for you to getting rid of the item that you don't use in your house, like something like utensil, something like clothes, something like anything that is useless in your house. You can be able to sell it here. So we all have things we don't need. You can sell them on various sites online for cash. Take clear picture of what you need to sell and place them online with the price tag and your phone number. So here are some sites you can sell your item with your phones and make money. Number one, like Gigi. I believe everybody knows Gigi. You can buy something there, you can still sell something there. So Gigi on this app, it helps sellers to meet potential buyers. You will snap your product or whatever you need to sell and place them in various categories already sorted on the app, and you put your price and phone number in order for buyers to contact you. People make money on this app with their phone, most especially in Nigeria. Yes, people make a lot amount of money on Gigi by selling what they don't want. Yes, exactly. Yes, you just place the picture of what you wanted to sell, place your number, your address. You can place the name of your shop, or someone can just order it and you sell it immediately. So number two, like Poshmark, just like the Gigi app, you take a picture of the clothing you want to sell and immediately post them for sale. Poshmark is also a marketable where you can buy and sell other things. Number three, like eBay. On eBay, you sign up for an account, post item for sale, and wait for customer to bid. It is very simple, fast, and also easy to use. If you want to register in a Gigi, you just download the Gigi app, you just register, get yourself registered there, and immediately you start selling. So number five is just like for game lovers, that is play games. You play game, you get paid. For game lovers, you are not left out, as there are apps that pay you to test their games and give them feedback. An example of an app that pay to play the game is something like a Chill Wicket. It's an app. All you do is spin and wheel to win money. You select colors and spin the wheel. Although it is not a good money making app, you are sure to get a very decent amount. The blockchain is making it. So with these five legit ways of making money online, I think you give it a try, and you will testify to me that you have started making huge amount of money by His special grace. So please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to just like this video, click the subscription button and the bell button, so that if I get any legit content, any legit source or ways of making money online, then you will be the first person to get in touch and notified. Thank you guys. See you next time in the next video. Thanks.